this is just a video for you guys to see how better I've gotten with my train drawings. You have this right here. And that's Iraq. This, you should know what it is. This, I drew this a very long time. These are more recent. As you can see, of course, it's an Iraq. This is FEC in books, and this is the name of the book too. It's all about FEC. And this is the actually first time I've done graffiti. You have the flatbed. You have the 53-foot containers that hold that that has the bogey in the middle right here. This is TTX version. Then you got this one. I'm not really sure what they call this one. And then here's this one, or I tried so many attempts. I tried it here, and then tried it here. And also I skipped one. This is the CSX reefer car. And yeah. And then we got this one. Then that one that has a truck. And my new one that I just finished minutes ago. And yeah, from that, like, look at this. From that to this. Isn't it amazing? Well, I just want to thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and goodbye.